see that.
Yeah.
I like that. The track is down. Trolley system in there.
If that squeeze is too small for you, just come right back. Okay?
Is it smaller than the one we came in initially?
No. Yeah.
If it is. Okay. Is it smaller than the one that all the kids did? Just over here?
No.
Okay. I'm wondering as the adults, is that really the path we're going to take?
That's not the path I'm taking.
Alright, so you're going to do it. I'll do this. The road crew, the power company.
I just got it with my knee. If you want to just take a look at it, it's okay.
Is it where are we spotting? Right here?
Down there, from down there.
Oh.
That just it slides right on down.
You gotta get the other leg in there, Hammer.
Guys, stay together down there.
Alright, I'm going up that way.
Back it up. Which way are you going, Alan?
That way.
We're going your way.
Go down that way.
Oh, I thought you were going this way.
So we're not doubling back, we're going this way.
No, we're going to go this way. When you come to an intersection there, make a right
Alright.
or go straight, whichever you feel like doing.
Well, I'm looking at them trying to twist and turn.
How far do we go?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Totally out.
It would aggravate
So you come to an intersection.
my everything.
You're going to have to get down low.
I'm just glad you got a bright light. That's all I got.
Me too.
I'm sitting there saying, man, I wish I brought mine. So I can actually see.
Right here?
It might be blurry, but. Let's see, you got no, that isn't too bad. It's like, yeah, it's like a thing. You gotta suck it in a little. It's like a penguin slide. Oh, go up to that way. It's not this way? What's this? Well, there's ways out of each of these. 3 different ways. Where are you? Yeah, it's interesting. The way that this is locked, you can get locked in. You're just realizing that now?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure I realized it.
Hey, Garrett.
You're now verbalizing it.
I'm now.
What just fell? That's not that, I just threw it. We're going that way. Oh shit, that's not that.
Yeah, see?
Hey guys, to your left, there's a hole. We're eventually going to go through there.
The hole up high?
No.
This one?
Yeah.
We're eventually going to go through there?
We're going to go through there to eventually on the other
Are you
hallway.
suggesting we go through this hole?
If you want to, you can do it now, or you can sit and watch them come out of that other room.
Okay,
Oh,
Alan,
because they're going to come back?
Alan, are you going through this hole?
Yeah.
Alright, then that's good.
So that room up there is just temporary? Yeah.
Yeah.
For them to come back.
This isn't
No, Joel, no, we're going to do this. This is the way we're going.
I just
We're
seen
going
that.
down there and then come back, are we?
No, he said we're going this way.
So the kids can come this way?
The kids have to come this way.
So I'm gonna back out.
Unless you want to see the...
Well, should we tell them to come on down there?
Yeah,
Yes.
probably, right?
Alright, Alex and Garrett, we're actually coming out this way, so you guys can follow me. Cole, when you come out, you're gonna
Make
follow
your way this way, guys.
Garrett, come up here. That was a tight squeeze trying to get my bag out of there. I left my bag, yeah.
They figured it out, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, we'll count them.
Very cool.
Cool, that hole that I dropped my bag in, holy shit.
What was the last troop you brought down here? How long ago?
Last month.
Okay.
End of the month.
Yep.
Well,
that's
that was,
actually coming.
I think it was a Girl Scout.
Guys, come on down this way.
Well,
Alright,
I'm
is that
sending them
good?
down
Yeah.
that way already.
One.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Was that the first one?
Yeah.
Was that the first kid?
First kid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quincy's 5.
Me and Ian squeezed through a little triangle hole like that big.
That one was tiny.
We went straight. I think it was a small
left or
Garrett,
right?
Garrett,
One at a time.
when you were
Left
born,
or right in there?
What?
We're gonna
I went straight.
be going to the right.
Just go. He said we're gonna be going to the right, but don't go yet.
Yeah, don't go too far. I don't want people spread out too much.
Garrett, when you were born, you had a cone head.
Yeah.
You were the only one that had the cone head.
That's embarrassing.
All right.
Hey, he's 5.
Very good. Stop counting.
Yeah.
Quincy's 5. You're number 5.
Brandon, be careful with this drop right here.
Number 5 is all.
That's like your whole height right there.
You got the rest of the smaller guys there?
Number 5 is a lot.
I can get up there.
Oh, Johnny 5. Yeah.
Use your hands to pull you out.
No?
You have to short circuit.
Short circuit. Oh, yeah, I remember short
That's
circuit.
it. Come on through.
That's 5. Is this number 6?
Wait,
Number
can I?
6.
You're doing awesome. Keep your head down.
Wait, Brandon.
Keep scooting on your belly, alright? It gets bigger up here.
Brandon, come back here real quick.
Get down. Come on down this way.
Keep going, bud.
You're doing good, buddy.
Hold on.
Right here.
Let me get out of the way here.
Right here.
No, don't go anywhere. Go right there. Right there. Okay.
Stay on your belly, like your arms. Try to get up on your knees.
Get up here.
Who else is back there? Can you get up over that? Well, hang on.
Now, you can slide through there.
Come on through, bud.
Oh, when you come up, I'll come down and get him. Don't worry about him. I'm here.
Okay, you got it? Okay, let me get out of the way again.
You got it, bud.
You're good, bud. I'll get you, buddy. Don't worry about it.
We're right here, buddy. You got a big opening up here. You're doing great. Good job.
Alright. What's your name back here? Lincoln. Okay, buddy.
Is that Owen?
That's Owen here.
Good job, Owen. You got it, dude.
I'm gonna back up here, bud, and you're gonna grab my foot, alright?
All right, Owen, right through here, bud. You got it. It's really wide open over here. You're good.
Yeah.
Right through here, Owen. You're good. It's just like a jungle gym, dude. There you go. All right, here. Once you're coming down here, Owen, you can pull out a second.
Nathan, you're fine. Calm down.
Myself. Turn around here.
Your shoulder still works for me?
You're going to put one big step down here. I'm going to hold on to this leg. You're going to take one big step. You good? You got it. Here you go.
So easy from there.
I can do this. I can do it.
All right. You good?
Yeah.
Good. You got a double bump. There you go. You want to take a deep breath? Take a deep breath for a second.
You good? Come over this way. Come over this way. It's a little bigger here. You want to go up there?
It gets better.
lost my
So let's go through here.
You lost your shoe.
If you're in here at all,
How far back? Not very.
You're good.
Did it go down a hole?
yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Hold on, my bud.
I think you lost the shoe back there.
All right. Where did you lose the shoe?
In the hole, evidently. Hey, Todd.
Can you see it, Mark?
I can.
We need to send one of the little guys to go get it.
That's far down.
Send one of the spider monkeys to go get it.
Risk versus reward. I think we're going the shoe.
Sit there. I want to see.
You really kind of have to hang down into the hole.
Not possible.
Alex is doing that
That
earlier.
hole's 6 inches wide.
Alex's backpack went down there?
He lost his backpack right there where you're at.
You come up here.
How deep is that, Mark?
4 feet.
Oh. Alright, I can have Garrett get it.
Maybe.
Have Garrett hold on to his feet.
Well, yeah, well, little guys.
Tie your other. Get up here and tie your other
Garrett, we
shoe.
have a mission.
Why is your shoe not tied?
Garrett,
You gotta tie your shoes, dude.
retrieval expert.
Hey, Mark, stay there. You'll hold Garrett's feet.
I got you.
We lost the shoe down a hole. We were gonna go down there.
Oh, that's funny. Alright, where is it? This is back
Wait,
there.
wait, let him down. Let him down.
Is he the last one?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I don't know if we're gonna get that shoe now.
No.
Well-
How many scouts we got back there?
You need a long pincher, I think.
Yeah, I left it at home. You might reach it.
Oh, I'll reach it. Where?
Down here. Want to film this?
Yeah.
As far as I can get?
This isn't a bottomless abyss, right?
No, not that I know of anyway.
How are you gonna get in there? Your head, I don't think your head's gonna fit.
Garrett, the only way you're doing it is if you put your head down first and he holds onto your feet. That's the only way we're doing this.
Get one arm in front, one arm behind you, and just lower you in.
I don't think it's big enough to do that.
You might be able to hang down and grab it with
6 inches, he should be able to.
No, Garrett, not feet, not feet. It has to be head first.
I'm turning around.
I'm just checking.
Hey, Adam,
Yeah.
whose water bottle is that?
I think that's Mark.
In that hole?
But we'll make sure we get it.
Lay down flat and see if you can.
I'd like to try feet
No,
first.
that's what you do.
No. I don't. No, you won't be able to reach
Another
down.
way to get into that, like over on the far side there, it's underneath a set of rocks.
Oh. There are other passages down in there.
From where?
From over there.
I'd like him to get a look at this and get his.
Just let him try. We'll see what he does. If it doesn't work, then try something else.
Anyone bring a pole? A hiking stick.
Well, you still got to grip it
The
when it's down
helmet is the
there.
only problem.
I mean, you don't want to take your helmet off there.
No, you can't take your helmet off. That's not allowed.
You want to get on this side of me and hold my feet?
Do you think you can get your head down in
I
there?
think I can get my head down in
I
there.
think you can.
You gotta pull me out.
Garrett, it's just like when you go get the stuff behind the washing machine.
Yes.
Just like it's a little lighter.
Mom dropped all the socks behind the washing machine.
This is quite the interesting challenge. Very small hole.
Alan planned this, by the way.
Yes, this is all part of it.
Do you have a belt that we can strap around his head?
I don't think he's going to go that far.
Your helmet is not will not fit.
If you have to take the helmet off, you just have to be very, very careful.
Very, very careful.
Because that'll ruin your weekend.
He's good.
You bang your head against anything.
Don't lose your helmet. Be very careful.
Shine up. I want to take a light.
Put that on your head. We don't want to lose more things down there. That's not tight.
You gotta tighten that up.
We need another person to come and hold on to another foot. So we can have one on each foot to pull him out.
He gets stuck, yes.
I think we're gonna end up losing some of the legs. You know, maybe if you follow the rule of no shoes. That may be farther than 4 feet, actually. That's farther down than you are tall. It looks like right now.
Even close?
Yeah, they're actually work boots.
No, he's not getting in that hole. It's not
Oh.
physically possible.
No.
Dude,
What's wrong with feet first?
then your whole body's gonna be down inside that hole.
The problem with
I can squeeze it. I can squeeze my feet together, and then you guys can pull me up as I have the shoe squeezed between my feet.
Give it a shot. If you think you could do
I
it.
think I can do that instead.
Put your helmet back.
The issue might be you might kick it deeper.
I think I feel it's the wrong way to go.
No, it's
Hey,
pretty far down the hole.
Stop it.
There's more things in this cave.
As long as there's no people down here, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Only did that once. No. You good?
Can we take a bunch of shoelaces and make it last one? Hiking boot shoelaces, they're actually pretty long.
This is like a dinner plate size hole.
Yeah.
It's a challenge.
Your entire body's gonna have to be down in that area if you want to get that thing out.
Where's the shoe go?
It's down the hole, so he's not able to really reach it.
Are you guys playing?
No luck?
Well, he wants to take his knee pads off now.
No, Garrett, we're
Whereas
good.
that, like, that's the amount of clearance, and I still don't think it's gonna happen.
Why don't you try over that direction? There's a bigger hole.
I mean,
It may go underneath the rocks or between the rocks to get to it.
yeah, it looks like there's a few entryways. One is under that rock. I don't think that's about as big as the shoe. So now that one looks pretty big. I could definitely fit through there. That one looks pretty thin. So I think I'm going a thin option. Let's see if I can get that.
And there's a hole right through there,
Right here, there's a hole.
but I don't know if it goes far enough.
No, that just comes over to here.
There's one comment for you, actually.
Alright, now get off.
But he has a view over here, it's too tight.
Oh, I see it. I got that. I can see it.